Unlock a world of seamless in-store spending with your Wise digital card. No plastic required. First things first. Ensure you have your Wise app downloaded and your digital card activated. Your digital card is already linked to your Wise account, ready to go. To use it in store, you'll need to add it to your mobile wallet. Open your Wise app, navigate to your card details, and you'll see an option to add it to your preferred digital wallet like Google Wallet or Apple Wallet. Just tap that button. Follow the on-screen prompts within your wallet app to confirm the addition. This usually involves verifying your identity, and then your Wise digital card will be securely added to your phone. Now for the magic. When you're ready to pay at any store that accepts contactless payments, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. Make sure the NFC chip in your phone is close to the contactless symbol on the terminal. You might hear a beep or see a confirmation on the screen indicating the transaction is complete. It's that easy to make secure, low-fee payments for your everyday purchases. Whether you're at home or traveling abroad, enjoy the convenience and cost-effectiveness of spending with your Wise digital card.